We are going to make legim, which is a very traditional Haitian stew of vegetables. This is one of my favorite things that my mom made.
Today I get to cook with Gregory Gourdet. I know he's a master when it comes to flavor and spices. We got some chopping to do.
I really want to work with Pamela on some basic foundational skills that will help food just be more delicious and give her more confidence in the kitchen. I'm gonna add our eggplant. Wanna help me?
Look here.
There you go. You've got some good colors happening here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
Beautiful bronze.
That looks so good.
So the joy of this dish is that the eggplant is gonna kind of fall apart and become this beautiful binder for the whole stew and make it really rich and really creamy and really savory.
Gotta be good.
Yes.
Look what's in it.
Yeah. And it's coming together.
Oh, yeah.
It's like all these beautiful, rich colors. Last but not least, we'll add a little epis. This is what's gonna give it that signature Haitian kick. So I'll let you do the honors. Epis is a Haitian spice base. It's truly the foundation of Haitian cooking, filled with onions and chilies and citrus and Haitian spices. You can use it for a marinade. You can use it to finish sauces. I use the hell out of it. So this looks absolutely amazing.
Yes, it does. Now it just gets covered in
Yeah, we'll just cover this and it'll steam and stew a little bit, and I'll lower the heat. And we'll check that in about 10 minutes.
The Haitian stew was out of this world. The flavors will just blow your mind.